asuntosykeyhtiö Telkkä-Laakso.
Yes, finally also got this 6th of February 2025. This is Lielahdenkatu 39 step is the last one to be filmed here. And this was built in 1977 by ValmetSchlieren. Chambers is 4955, the capacity is 4 personnel, 5 rams and 6 floors. In Lentävänniemi, Tampere, tämä 4 speaking about Finland, two rides here. It's absolutely impossible, but we managed to get all the rest of them in Lentävänniemi.
Yeah.
Now. The rest that should have been filmed. So.
Niitä tippaakin vaisuttaa. Meidän tapauksessa on discrepancy.
I like the sound system here.
Same here. Three and a half years ago I said that you can film this alone, but yeah, you didn't get any of them, so now I also wanted to film these ones.
Yeah, of course. We got all of them from the staircase 8 to the staircase. If you can watch all of them, thank you very much for watching.
That's
it.